starting this day off on a very, very good note. Unbeknownst to me, I would answer the door this morning to a package from Indulge Dining. How exciting is this? So it's flipped my day upside down in a very good way. If you have never heard of Indulge Dining, it's a food box delivery service which is run by a Michelin star chef. It's a small business, so basically they create epic dining experiences which you can order to your door. The food is essentially mostly made up for you, so all you need to do is cook it. I will leave their website below. I did try out their Valentine's box back in February. As I said, I've linked it below, and I did suggest if you want like a nice meal experience at home without having to go out to a restaurant. At the time we had a newborn baby as well, or you've got like a really nice event coming up, like a really special birthday or a special anniversary, or you just think, do you know what, we deserve a really, really nice treat, then I really recommended it back then. So it's going to be really exciting to try today's box, because today's box is barbecue. So Lawrence is literally buzzing about this one, but this is going to be barbecue food. Lawrence is out there right now lighting up that barbecue. So here we go, Indulge Dining. So you get your box and it comes packaged. I haven't actually opened it, but it comes packaged in this foam, which is incredible at keeping things cold. It is give you the instructions on how to make everything, so it's like the menu / instruction. Here's some photos of some of their barbecue stuff that they've got coming out. I said the price point is large, and you're not going to get like takeaway size meal. So like it's not like ordering a £20 Chinese meal where you get like a ton of spring rolls or noodles or whatever. It's premium food, premium ingredients, but lots of courses, so lots of smaller courses. We were so full up after our Valentine's meal. Sorry, I'm having to fan myself because it's so blooming hot today. It was genuinely so worth it. Here's a little note. Oh, we've got a discount code. If you use Sofarina at check-in, you can get 10% off. They offer stress-free cooking because 90% of the meal has come already prepared, and Michelin level quality. But anyway, so we've got Hasselback potatoes already prepared, a humongous ribeye. So we've got the baby gem lettuce. I don't know whether to get this out. So sorry, I'm sort of picking everything out, but here you get like the cardboard box, and this is labelled side. You get another cardboard box which is labelled skewers. So we've got sides and skewers, which is Fran's Happy wild garlic or little salsa verde, sea smoked bacon crumb. To hide that from sweet corn pure special event. Anyway, let's just try this out. I'm really excited to have like a little barbecue today. The weather is definitely barbecue. We've got ribeye steak, which Lawrence says looks like an incredible cut. It's like really, really nice steak, he said, and it's got lots of marbling. We've also got the pork skewers and the chicken thigh skewers. The chicken thigh skewers, we will put the corn puree and corn crumb on, which sounds... We're going to have BLTs with these lettuce, gem lettuce, and we've got the Hasselback potatoes. So I've pretty much prepared all the meat. That's all you need to do. Now Lawrence will just throw it on the barbecue. And whilst Lawrence is heating up the meat and cooking the meat and potatoes, I will just cut the gem lettuce in half. We're going to char that and then sprinkle on the bacon crumbs. Like if you want like on one of your first dates with your partner, what a nice idea this would be, because I remember when Lawrence and I started dating, he made me a barbecue, and this would have been just so like special. But yeah, anyway, let's take this out to Lawrence. Are you ready for the barbecuing?
Oh yeah.
Barbecue stuff is ready to...
Yeah.
Okay, so Lawrence is finishing up on the barbecue. There are things finishing now, like the chicken, which I'm just sprinkling with sweet corn powder, and then a sweet corn... I just put the whole thing on, and then a sweet corn relish, sweet corn puree. But actually this is a really quick kit because everything cooks in less than 10 minutes. So like literally from the longest part is just heating up the barbecue. But yeah, nearly done. We've not really tried anything. We've had dabs of some of like the purees and already we're like, what? So, a couple of taties, skewer each. The presentation, like this, it looks unreal.
Let me get do we know what we're eating? Let's just get the menu.
Yeah, let's get the menu. I was saying to the camera earlier, because like we spoke about this before, didn't we?
Yeah.
Where this would be such like a nice date night, date day. Oh, do you want a piece right in the middle?
Yeah, I want the reddest.
Papi,
Oren, what do you think? Just stick a thumbs up or thumbs down. What is it? Thumbs up? Give a thumbs up? Oh.
That's steak.
Thumbs up for steak.
Thumbs up for
Thumbs
steak.
up for steak.
No, thumbs down for steak.
Well, you've eaten all your steak, so I don't know quite how you've managed
I'm
that.
telling you, that's the best steak I've ever eaten in my life. Oh my gosh.
You're very quiet.
You're enjoying your steak, aren't you? This chicken's really nice.
It's
Really
got
like
sweet
delicate
corn
flavours.
and the wild garlic. It's really nice, but it's also it's a filleted chicken wing.
Yeah, it's very in season, like the wild garlic, the salsa verde, which is made with it.
Sweet corn.
Corn.
The pork.
Okay.
So this one's got a
Loads.
smoky
of meat
apple
on
and
it.
soy glaze on it, and it's a mix. It's got some pork shoulder, which
I
is
don't
raw,
want
and it's got
pork.
some pork belly, which was pre-slow cooked.
Taste of the apple. Oh my gosh. That is the glazes which get me, because I'm just like, how does it have so much flavour?
Yeah, it's the dressing. It's just
Okay.
Really
Stunning. Would you spend the money on this?
Yes. Have you tried this yet? Because this is kind
Let's
of
try
sickening.
this.
So it's a
Ready?
BLT. It's got a tomato salsa, bacon crumb. That's delicious.
Oh, that's like my favourite. The potatoes, already done. We just put them in the foil on the barbecue. Would you buy this?
Yes.
You would buy it.
I would. It's definitely.
Bearing in mind it's fairly expensive.
I would do it. It's definitely like something you do as a treat. Maybe it's something you do like you buy it as a gift for someone. I think it's a really nice gift idea, to be honest.
Like I was thinking,
Yeah.
as a 40th wedding anniversary for your parents, just like a really good quality barbecue.
It's nice. Yeah.
They would like really appreciate this. It's not a regular thing, not for us anyway, because budget, you know, we keep a tight budget.
Papi.
But it's got a special birthday coming up, special event. It's sort of worth splashing out a little bit because you would anyway going to a restaurant.
Yeah.
So yeah, stunning. I'm giving this food another 10 out of 10. I've linked the Valentine's one down below. That was more of like a meal kit, like a dinner kit. So barbecue, you can pick and choose.
Something that we would do one off,
We do one off.
infrequently.
Yeah, as a treat.
Yeah.
It would be instead of going to a restaurant,
Yes.
because it is like restaurant prices, but then it's better restaurant quality, like good restaurant quality.
Yeah.
Ready?
Finished.
Let's finish this food.
I'm finished.
Hello, welcome. Oh, I feel all itchy because I've just been in the garden with the boys, and we've been in the pool, the paddling pool, and there's just like ants everywhere. I wish I was looking aesthetic and just YouTube ready, but I'm not. It's the hottest day of the year. It's like 30 plus degrees, super high UV rays. It's really, really blooming hot. The UK is not fun when it's too hot because we have like carpeted houses. Our houses are built to insulate heat, lots of cold weather and rain and stuff. So yeah, when it's too hot, it's quite difficult. And our houses don't have aircon. That's not a thing in England. You just don't have aircon. So today I went to M&S just to get the aircon, and I was having a bit of a rubbish morning. There was something going on behind the scenes that was really stressing me out. And it might sound sad, but one thing that really does actually cheer me up is treating myself to an overpriced shop at M&S. I'm not joking, that really does cheer me up. So I thought that's what I'm going to do today. Just survive the hot weather kind of day, no makeup, just be in the shade as much as I can. And go to M&S, get some free aircon and spend some money. But because it's so hot today, I thought I would do like a picky dinner. I've got loads of like salady bits in the fridge, so I'm going to throw together like salad, carrots, cucumber, tomatoes. We've got tomatoes. Just whatever I can put on a plate from the fridge, like, because I need to clear the fridge down a little bit. Then I've got some bits in M&S. So I got some mini pitters. I thought these were the wholemeal ones. Okay, mini pitters. I really like the mini pitters from M&S. They're really nice. I got lemon meringue yum nuts, cream filled. Like, just getting my belly right now. I got 2. I said to Lawrence we'll share one tonight and share one tomorrow, but I'm starting to think, do I want to share with him? Some chocolate milk for Orin. It's a surprise. I'll show him later though, after lots of veggies at dinner. This is chicken from the freezer. I just got this stuff from the outside, but I'm going to cook some like barbecue chicken or teriyaki style chicken. And then I got some of their dips. They were all reduced, so I got some buffalo chicken dip, random. I've never tried it. I've got some Korean style dip, which sounds really nice. And this one sounds really nice, green goddess dip. This one sounds like it's gonna be fresh. Hopefully, like lots of coriander or something in. Crispy onion pieces for the salad. I've got some mini sausage rolls because it's just going to be a really quick throw together type dinner tonight. I got some of their extra large unwaxed lemons. These lemons are huge. I'm actually so in the mood for like lemons right now. I got some sparkling water because this with lime cordial on a day like today is just delicious. And I got some green bananas because our bananas are good for baking that we have in the house right now, but not good for eating. And I like eating green bananas, like not fully green. Like this is my perfect banana, green and yellowish. What's your perfect banana? Yeah, let's make a picky dinner. I'm just about to start the picky lunch, but I'm just going to pop out into the garden and pick some raspberries because lots and lots are looking nice and ripe. And I really want to test out Jasper with raspberries tonight. He's actually consuming food now, I think. Some of it's going in. Lawrence has marinated the chicken. We're just gonna have like lemon and garlic herby chicken because that is a kind of day, you know, just like lemony, fresh tasting. I also got from M&S, got to show you, one of these, which is M&S sourdough cot, like a big, it's called a garlic boule, probably saying it wrong. It's basically a massive loaf of fresh bread. Yes, silly sausage. Yeah, so if M&S have like fresh bakery bread, like sourdough loaves and stuff that they don't sell, they slice them up, they put like a chock load of garlic butter in the slices and then they freeze them. And then they have a special freezer in the bakery aisle that's selling their sort of bread that they've done that to. And you can buy it as like unreal garlic bread basically. So we're going to bake this. and it's much cheaper than what it would have been. So I just think it's a really good idea. I want people to just buy food that's like out of date a little bit more, just because it stops food waste. So I love that M&S do that.
For the chicken. Just straight. This is that thing we all know. I think I'll always everything else on the table. Just reminded me of Only Murders in the Building.
Oh, that was so good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we loved it. Wow, the cream, so lemony. Unreal. Unreal. So we've just put them to bed. So yeah, there's just something really cozy about Friday night, a sweet treat in front of the TV. I might even just treat myself to a game of Civilization on my Nintendo. We've got the lemon yum nuts, and have you seen this? Also from M&S. Lawrence got me this a couple of weeks ago actually. We've been slowly working our way through it little bit by bit, but it's called the Big Daddy Pistachio. And it's amazing. It is literally a massive, chunky, don't know if you can see that because the lighting is cray cray at this time of day. But yeah, we're just gonna go stuff our face, and why not?